Hey you all, welcome to Trending Wisdom, a channel which is fully dedicated to spreading motivation, inspiration, and to see the things in a unique perspective. And don't forget the mantra, that is, if you cannot do great things, do small things in a great way. I have a question. Why don't people set goals? Why do few people have clear, written and measurable goals that they work toward each day? This is one of the great mysteries of life. According to Rishi, there are 4 reasons why people don't set goals. Number 1 is they think that goals are not important. Most of people don't realize the importance of goals. If you grow up in a home where no one has goals, or you socialize with a group where goals are neither discussed nor valued, you can very easily reach adulthood without knowing that making and achieving goals will have more effect on your life than any other skill. Look around you. How many of your friends or family members are clear and committed to their goals? Just look around. The second reason that people don't have goals is because they don't know how to set them in the first place. Even worse, many people think that they already have goals. And unfortunately, what they really have is a series of wishes or dreams like be happy or make a lot of money or have a nice family life. But these are not goals at all. They are merely fantasies that are common to everyone. A goal, however, is something clearly different from a wish. It is clear, written, and specific. It can be quickly and easily described to another person. You can measure it and you know when you have achieved it or not. If you never hear about goals until you are an adult, you will have no idea how important they are to everything you do. The third reason that people don't set goals is because of the fear of failure. Failure hurts. It is emotionally and often financially painful. All of us have experienced failure from time to time. Each time we resolve to be more careful and avoid failure in the future. Many people then make the mistake senselessly destroying themselves by not setting any goals at which they might fail. They end up going through life functioning at far lower levels, even though they could have achieved more through goal settings. Fourth reason that people don't set goals is because of the fear of rejection. People are afraid that if they set a goal and are not successful, others will criticize or ridicule them. This is one of the reasons why you should keep your goals confidential when you begin to set a goal. Don't tell anyone. Let others see what you have accomplished, but don't tell them in advance. What they don't know can't hurt you. Truly speaking, happiness requires goals. Earl Nightingale once wrote, "Happiness is the realization of a worthy idea or goal." You feel truly happy only when you are making progress step by step towards something that is important to you. Goals give you that sense of meaning and purpose, a clear sense of direction. As you move toward your goals, you feel happier and stronger. You feel more energized and effective. You feel more competent and confident in yourself and your abilities. Every step you take toward your goals increases your belief that you can set and achieve even bigger goals in the future. More people today fear change and worry about the future. One of the great benefits of goal setting is that goals allow you to control the direction of your life. Goals enable you to ensure that the changes in your life are largely self-determined and self-directed. Goals enable you to implant meaning and purpose into everything you do. One of the most important teachings of the Greek philosopher was that all human action is purposeful in some way. You are happy only when you are doing something that is moving you toward something that you want. The great questions then become, what are your goals? What purposes are you aiming at? Where do you want to end up at the end of the day? Clear goals enables you to release your full potential for personal and professional success. Goals enable you to overcome any obstacle and to make unlimited achievements in your future. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, the victory of success is half won when you gain the habit of setting and achieving goals. Thank you.